Hello, I'm Marta Evanson, Senior Designer with Living Water Landscapes. Just finished up this large new backyard in Ascension, Summerlin, Las Vegas. In this backyard, they had the typical requests of an outdoor kitchen that we've got here behind me. Simple kitchen with the barbecue, a sink, and some storage, and space to seat about 8 people, 10 people. We've got this massive ceiling fan to keep everybody cool underneath the patio cover. Also, we've got a fire feature underneath the existing covered space, stepping right outside of the sliders of their home. The next feature is this amazing showstopper water feature. This was the big desire of the homeowner, to have this water feature as a view, and also just to have the sound in the space and then feel the coolness when they're actually close to it. I can feel the water, the coolness off of that water feature hitting me right now. In addition to these 3 main features, of course, we've got massive amount of synthetic turf that makes the desert backyard pop with green. We've got some modern steppers moving through this backyard. We went with concrete because that's what the client desired in this space. So we have walkways going around both sides of the house. The homeowners also love plants. So we've got lots of blooming plants as well as evergreens, some palms. We've got some screening trees that will give them some privacy from the walkway above, and then fill up this yard eventually with green and color. We did have a little bit of a challenge with this project, so there was a language barrier between them and myself. However, with pictures and having some interpretation from others, we were able to go through a design process together, pick out materials, and build this backyard even with that language barrier. It was a great project to work on because it was actually a lot bigger of a space that we're typically used to here in the new backyards in Las Vegas. But we filled it up, it looks beautiful, and our customers are very, very happy. We would love to design and build your backyard. When you're ready to proceed, please call the office to set up a time to meet with me for a free consultation and to discuss the design process and the installation aspect for your project. Call the office today.